Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, let's explore the Insert Edge Loop tool. If you would like to follow along, the Maya files are available through the VFX Fuel membership, which you can join on my Gumroad. Joining the membership not only gives you access to some cool perks, but it also helps the channel out too. The Insert Edge Loop tool is great for quickly adding edge loops. You can get to it by holding Shift and the right mouse button and going to Insert Edge Loop. If we just go ahead and open up the tool options, notice how we don't get a ton of options, but we do have a few ways to change how the tool works. Let's just go ahead and draw an edge in here, and we can see how the edge is a relative distance from the existing edge. We don't always want this, as you can see the edges are further away at this part than they are here. Setting the tool to equal distance from the edge is sometimes what you need to do, and now you can see if we add an edge, we get a consistent distance between the two edges. Something else which is nice and what we can do with the tool, we can actually add multiple edge loops with one click. You can adjust the amount with the input here. So yeah, let's go ahead and just try 3. Doesn't really matter for this example, and just click to add them. And you can see we get instantly 3 equally spaced edges in that gap. The Insert Edge Loop tool is a decent tool which gives us some nice options such as relative distances, and not all of the other edge loop tools provide us this. Again, the Maya files are available through the VFX Fuel membership over on Gumroad if you would like to follow along. Joining the membership not only gives you access to some cool perks, but it also helps the channel out too. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit those like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.